How to delete email account from another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete your email account from another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, it just really depends upon which email services you use. So if you use Gmail, the process is different. If you use Hotmail, that process is also different depending upon whether you're using iCloud, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, Outlook, Ymail or any of the other services. The process is different. I'm taking Gmail as an example because this is the most popular one. So you can basically open up the Gmail application here. Then after that, just tap the profile icon from the top right. Then since this is my Gmail, I'll select manage a Google account because Gmail comes from Google. Now from here, you want to simply navigate to the little security tab that you can find here. From the security tab, if you scroll down over here, you will find this option here that is your devices. So you can tap on the manage all devices button. After that, all you have to do is just simply make sure to basically select the device that you want to log out from. Then just tap on the sign out button. Once you tap on sign out, that device will get successfully removed. But as I said, this process actually depends upon which email app or the email services that you're using. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.